Hello friends, welcome to Review House and Halls, and today I'm going to review a product that is a moisturizer. As I have already mentioned in my previous videos that I have oily skin, and with that of the oily skin I have a complete T-zone oily skin, and which let me suffer a lot. And with that of the many experiences of mine, I try to find some of the products which helped my skin to be better, and that's why I am sharing you all with you all my experience, what I suffered from. And I am sharing all my experience just because I don't want anyone should get suffered. They should get some guidance so that they can go further for many other products which can help them to grow. I'm not saying that which product work for me will be working for others also, but I can give you the suggestion. If you want, you can buy that product. So let me tell you, I'm talking about the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Moisturizer. This moisturizer which I used worked awesome on my skin. I must say this is the most lightest moisturizer you have ever been using, because of the oily skin I was not even able to use any kind of moisturizer on my skin, and for that I was searching for any moisturizer, because whenever you wash your face with that of the oily skin also, it leads to some kind of irritation, and you can settle that irritation with that of moisturizer serum products. And in that case I tried to find many products which work on my skin, and I found this one, and it worked awesome on my skin. And let me talk you about this product rate is also being very reasonable. It's just for rupees 190 rupees, and in Amazon, Flipkart, wherever you get the cosmetic products, other cosmetic apps, you are going to get it for the very least price of this one, in the discount price. And what is being present in this is that, first of all, this moisturizer provide you the sun protection of 15 SPF, and the second most important point is that it does not contains any kind of petrochemicals. And third most important thing is that it has all that of the plant derivative products. For example, let me tell you, it has the cucumber extract, it has aloe vera being present in it, and with that of the berry extract is being present in this. And most importantly, it also contains the hyaluronic acid, which helps to firm your skin, and a certain amount you can say the essentials oils are being also present in this, which can help you to supple your skin from any kind of issues with that of your skin. So if you are feeling to buy this product, go for it. And it is hypoallergic in nature. How does it feel to your skin? Let me show you. If you can see, it's a complete water base. It's a complete water base. When you apply it on your skin, it will feel like you are applying some kind of smell is also with that of the rose water. I can tell you, it feels like a rose water, and it will get absorbed in your skin. And how you feel it feel on your skin is that means you are applying certain kind of a water based product in your face, and it get absorbed completely on your skin. So this is one of the best moisturizer that I'm using it, and I'm telling you that this is a good product. You can go for it. I will provide its link in description box. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so that I can tell you my oily skin experiences, what I suffered, and now how I got rid of it. So please subscribe to my channel so that I can explain you with that of the more products, and I can bring you with that of the more important things which will be helpful for you all. Thank you for watching this video.